We are the great American melting pot. The difference you seek, the sweet and the hot. A true American city with roots to the core. Philly calls the shots, unites blocks, gives you more. The city of brotherly love and sisterly affection. We go by many names, but one purpose, connection. No matter what corner or country you're from, you can believe you'll be like part of the bunch. The moment you arrive, you'll feel like a local. We've got small town appeal with a reach that gets global. Whatever we venture, we decidedly shine. We've got something for everyone. What's yours and what's mine. Each of us contribute to the melding of color. We've got festivals, street fairs, mama's meatballs and mamas. We've got cheesesteaks that Gino makes, tulips, lanterns, and shade. We've got the heart of hip-hop where America was made. Room to break, parts to skate. We've got sights for sore eyes and satire, live art and parades improvised. We've got neat flair, flower shows, droves of outdoor art. Each vendor, each splendor, each act plays its part. Name your idea of fun. Plan your special events. Come rain or come shine, we don't mind. We've got tents. We work with our officers to make sure we're safe and that we all make it to the end of the race. And speaking of races, you'll run out of breath trying to sample each portion, each dance move, each depth. Over 1,400 happenings, no other city can top them. Philly knows where it's at and knows just how to rock them. Take your time, fall in line, have the time of your life. It enriches the experience, day, market, or night. We celebrate our heritage to make each other well-rounded. It comes to fruition from where our morals are founded. Get in touch. We've got much of that homegrown kinetic energy. Lose yourself in the laughter, capturing the lights of an epiphany. We're historical, rhetorical, and we do things our way. Accent that with a laugh, 'cause we work while we play.